What's up everybody, it's Dakota here with another video, and today I'm really excited to show you guys we are going to be doing our first big modification to the Legacy, and I can't wait to go get it. So what we're going to be doing is going to be, number one, essential to the Subaru platform, especially if you want to add power to the car. So that being said, I'm pretty sure you already know what I'm going to say. Today we're going stage 1 with a Cobb accessport V3. I can't wait to go pick it up and load the tune onto the car, because one, I hear it makes the car actually run a little bit better with the stage 1 tune on it, and then two, obviously the power, and then the little monitors on the screens. I used to have a Ford Focus ST, and I had an access port for that, the V3 as well. Best thing I've ever used on that car. It was just amazing, and I loved it so much, so I'm excited to get another one for this car. We're going to go pick it up right now. I'm going to show you the unboxing of it too, because I'm getting it brand new from Cobb, so I cannot wait to go pick it up. But let's go drive over there right now. Okay, so I'm about to actually go head over to get the access port right now, but right when I cut that last clip you saw, it started to start raining pretty hard, so it's slowing down now, and I'm hoping it stops by the time we, one, get the access port and then get everything loaded onto the car, because there's also a car meet later on today, so hopefully the rain doesn't cancel that. I'd like to go to it, but I mainly want to show you guys the differences in like power and everything for the tune, but I'm sure it'll stop raining, but it's always on my day off, so I don't know why, but still, we're gonna go get the access port right now. Hey guys, so I'm super excited because we just got the Cobb access port, and here it is in the nice little box. And like I said I was going to unbox it, so here we go. Alright, so we got some little flyers and stuff here. The accessories I'll get to in a minute. And the main reason is this little Cobb nice case right here. I'm going to put the camera down for a second so I open the bag. And now opening it up fully. Here we go. Little warning, the quick start guide, and our new access port, which is so exciting. I cannot wait to put this onto the Subaru. And this is actually really nice. When I bought my one for my ST, it was like 2 years ago, so it's nice that they have these now. It's a little nice touch. Got some cables in here, I think. Let's see. Oh, oh wow. So there's a faceplate mount, and I assume a charging or something to connect it to the computer. And you got yourself some Cobb stickers too, which is nice. Now I'm gonna open the accessories box, see what's inside. Okay, something fell out. So this is what connects your access port to your car physically down there. And then let's see what else. Something else fell out. Oh, cool. So they are nice enough to not only give you all this extra stuff, but this is a mount for your access port, so you can keep it either, right here or right here. I'll have to figure out where to mount it at, but super excited to get this. Alright, so like I said, it's finally not raining anymore, so now I'm going to give you some little comparisons, like a pull and things like that in this car stock, and then when I load the access port onto the car, I'll show you the difference, and then I'm going to get some outside shots in here in a second. But I have it in sport first right now, so we're going to do a first and second gear pull. Okay, so as you can see, even stock, the car pulls pretty darn hard, so it's already fun out of the gate, so I can't wait to load the tune onto it. And here in a second when we're done driving, I'm going to go ahead and stop, show you how to use the access port, and then we're going to load stage 1 into the car. Okay, so I just connected the access port for the first time to the vehicle. All you got to do when you unbox it is you connect it to the access port and make sure the other end is connected to your OBD2. And then, if it's your first time doing this, you're going to have the install the access port to your vehicle option. So when you click that, it's basically going to save the factory tune that your car is running on. So if you ever want to go back to stock, you can do so. During this, please make sure you don't open your doors or anything like that, so nothing bad happens, and you just have to be patient because it does take a little while. And then when that's done, then you can go through the 1, 2, 3 tunes, or if you have a custom tune, you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and install this and flash forward to show you what it's like when it's done. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm going for the, if it'll focus, stage 1 93 octane tune. So here we go. Alright guys, so I just got done flashing the stage 1 tune. And another thing too is, obviously you have to connect those test connectors I was telling you about, and then when you're done flashing it, you have to disconnect it, so just remember that. Now I'm on the main screen for the accessport, and this is going to be the first startup with the tune loaded. Alright, I'm so excited. Alright everybody, I just set it up the way I like it. I'm going to fully set up the gauges later on, but I at least got my boost and air-fuel ratio sensor right now set up, so I get to monitor all that. And as you can see, let's see, working pretty good. So I'm excited to drive the car right now. Okay, so we got stage 1 loaded on. As you can see, I got my monitors right here. And we have a chance to go ahead and do some pulls, so I'm really excited. Here comes second gear. Alright. Yeah, so this is definitely a big improvement over stock, because I mean, the power band is a lot smoother, and it definitely has a little bit more top end. You can feel it. Plus, what I've noticed driving the car around for a while is that it actually makes the car run a lot smoother, and it's a lot easier to get a feel for the road and everything, and it behaves better is what I'm trying to say. So all these monitors are really helpful. Let's see, I'm maxing out at about 13 pounds of boost right now, which is pretty good, but overall, super happy with the tune. Okay everybody, so as you can see, this stage 1 tune really does wake up the car. I am super happy with the tune, and driving it for about a day or so, you can start to feel it a lot more. So again, really happy with this. Plus a big thing on this is you can monitor all your important gauges on the fly, so that's good. And it opens up the door if you want to do stage 2 with the intercooler and downpipe and all that, or stage 3, you know what I'm saying. But really recommend it if you have a Legacy GT or just another Subaru in general, like a WRX, something like that. Cannot recommend it more. Cobb always has awesome stuff, so I love this tune, and it really does put a smile on your face when you have it. So that being said, I really hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please help me out with a like and a subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.